This Arroz Pulao sauteed in whole spices and aromatics makes it the perfect side for any meal. Hi and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. Today we're going to be making Arroz Pulao with 2 cups of basmati rice, and we're going to wash it at least 3 times till the water runs clear. Just going to mix it with our fingers very gently. And now we're going to drain out the water and wash it the second time. You could also put the rice into a sieve and place it under running water and wash it till the water runs clear. Okay, now that we've washed the rice and prepped it, let's keep it aside and let's get cooking. To a heavy bottom pot on medium heat, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of pure ghee. If you wanted, you could always substitute it by using oil. And once the ghee has melted, we're going to add in some whole spices. We're going to go in with 6 cloves, 8 peppercorns, 4 cardamoms, 1 2-inch stick of cinnamon, and 2 bay leaves. Now we're going to saute the spices just a little bit till they release their flavor. To that, we're going to add 1 medium-sized onion, which is approximately about 1 cup, and I finely chopped that. And we're going to saute it till the onions turn translucent. Now let's toss in 1 finely chopped tomato, which is approximately half a cup. And let's continue sauteing this till the tomato turns soft. For some flavor and color, we're going to add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we're going to saute that till it all blends in well. To flavor our Arroz Pulao, we're going to go in with 2 chicken bouillons, which are approximately 10 grams each. And we're going to saute them till they soften and then break them down with the back of the spoon. And we're going to give it a mix so that all the flavors blend together. And now it's time for us to add in the rice that we had washed before. And we're gently going to stir it around so that the rice gets well coated with the mix. I've not added any salt since we have added in 2 chicken bouillons, but you could always add salt to taste. For a pop of color and flavor, we're going to add in half a cup of green peas, and we're going to give it a gentle stir. Now for that traditional taste of Arroz Pulao, we're going to go in with chicken broth. But if you wanted, you could always substitute by adding water. So since we're cooking 2 cups of rice, we're going to add in 3.5 cups of chicken stock. And this chicken stock is sodium free. Now we're gently going to give this a stir and allow it to come to a simmer. Now that it has started simmering, we're going to cover it with a lid and allow it to cook on a medium heat till the water gets absorbed by the rice. And this should take anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes. Just a minute before the rice is ready, we're going to lift up the lid and add in our finely chopped red bell peppers. And we're going to cover it and allow them to steam for the last 1 minute. Now that all the water has been absorbed by the rice and we have those lovely long grains, we're going to take it off the heat and allow it to sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes before we serve it up. When serving it, I always like to take out the whole spices and fluff up the rice and then plate it. Wow, just look at those long grains of rice and the pop of color. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now it's time to give the Arroz Pulao a taste. And I'm really excited. Wow, this looks so appetizing. Wow, this pulao, it's so packed with flavor. And I love that little pop of red in it that comes from the red bell peppers. I'm telling you, this is a must-try recipe. So go onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, where you will find the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.